Do you know what type of blizzard this is right here on the wall? I'll let you take 3 guesses, and I'll even take your sunglasses off. This is a serious game we play on the Bobcast.
I want to say it's like some kind of like a strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry is always close because of the color, but no.
Cotton candy?
Cotton candy's kind of close, but no. I'll give you a hint because I've given people hints.
All right.
Cracker. Yeah, you cracker.
I should get this. I'm a cracker.
Yeah, exactly.
Cracker.
Yeah, cracker.
What?
Yeah.
That's not like a cookie. That's a cracker.
Or
Is it like a nephew of like a cracker, like a relative?
I would say it's a nephew, a relative of a cookie. You know, a cracker is type of related to a cookie, isn't it?
Cracker. Graham cracker? I don't know.
No. Think about a colorful cracker. You know what I mean? A colorful, fun type of cracker. Come on, it's a fun cracker. A lot of colors.
Like a funfetti kind of thing?
Kind of. You're so close. Funfetti blank cracker. Come on. These crackers kind of resemble things that come in a circus.
Graham cracker.
No. We already said.
Oh, no, or not a graham cracker. What do you? Animal cracker.
Hey.
Nice.